Man held by cops after trying to hide firearm under car. Hi again and welcome. Man held by cops after trying to hide firearm under vehicle. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A team of officers assigned to the St. Andrew South Police Division seized a firearm and arrested one man in relation to the seizure during an operation on Oakland Drive in the parish on Saturday, December the 2nd. Reports from the Hunts Bay Police are that at around 1:45 a.m., lawmen were in the area when they saw a man walking along the roadway. On seeing the police, the man ran and threw an object on the motor vehicle. He was caught and the object retrieved. Upon closer examination of the object, it was discovered that it was a .38 revolver containing 3.38 rounds of ammunition. The man was subsequently taken into custody. However, his identity is being withheld pending further investigations. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.